you guys are gonna hear gunshots because the range owner is in the indoor range for one of the pistol competitions. So you guys, I don't know, have fun with that. But so yeah, I'm gonna shoot the 100 yard. Yeah, I'll be able to do that a lot easier. Yeah. That was good. I won't deal with like another 20 rounds, and then I'll show you guys the rooftop and a couple other obstacles, and yeah. Should be on until the one kicks in again. I'm gonna go get it, bring it up to like 50 yards, and show you guys the rooftop, and then that'll be it for this video. I'll save the other obstacle courses for more videos. That way I have more stuff to put out. Smart. So I got the rooftop going. Here's a little secret. See what I got going on here? There you go, you can see a little better like that. You angle it. You don't want to go one-legged like I did for the competition. But anyway, sting this fucking thing up. I'm pointing to the right, and I'm going to keep it to the right. And that's that. Okay, thank God for that. Alright, got dial it to the right, it's going to stay to the right. I got a ricochet. That's cool. Now when you want to go prone, then you extend it. Here. There you go. All right, so yeah, there's your that's the inner stuff for you. And I just talked to the range owner, and well, I got next month's shoot, so you guys are gonna see some videos of practices with that. I'm not gonna be double uploading because It's a little hectic with work. I'm a little tired for that. That's a lot of editing. So, yeah. I have a lot of stuff pre-recorded for you guys, so I'll be able to keep you guys a little occupied for a bit. So, yeah. Like if you like this kind of stuff, dislike if you don't. Comment on what you want to see. Well, at a competition shooting, and then and what you want me to destroy with a crossbow arrow. And yeah, check out my other videos, and I'll see you on whatever Thursday this video comes out. See you next video.